Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission at Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'll be discussing a very important point related to the most important topic of electronics. So I'll be sharing a very important point here which will help you to solve the questions based on this topic easily, and you will be getting the answer just in very less time too. So we will be starting that discussion soon, but before I'm gonna start the discussion about that point, I would like to tell you about the Unacademy Plus and the Iconic subscription. As per the recent update, there can be the price hike soon on Unacademy subscription. So if you want to start attending the live classes by the top educators, we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. And even in upcoming days, many new courses by the top educators are going to start on Unacademy Learning app. So you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription and you can start attending the live classes of well-structured and well-planned courses by the top educators. Also guys, by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen, you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. So here on the screen now I'll be showing you that what are the benefits you will be getting if you will take the Plus or the Iconic subscription, and after that you can decide or you can just see which one will be more beneficial for you or which subscription you want to take. Now let's continue the discussion and let's talk about that important point which I'll be covering here in this session. So basically guys, here we will talk about this thing that if you are going to have any question in which they are going to ask you to find the number of particular type of multiplexers needed or required to construct the other type of multiplexer. So basically, first of all, I would like to give you some introduction about the multiplexer. So multiplexer is gonna have like, if I'm gonna talk about that, just a second. Okay, so in case of multiplexer, what will happen? In case of multiplexer, we can have the to the power n number of inputs. Okay, to the power n number of inputs, but only one output will be there. Okay, the number of outputs will be 1. And the n which is there now, like if these are the number of inputs and one output will be there. So n represents the selection line in that case, selection line. Okay. For example, you can have 2 by 1 multiplexer, okay, and in that case, how many selection lines you will have equal to the power. So that's going to be one selection line, okay. Other than that, if to the power 2 by 1 means 4 by 1 multiplexer, you will have how many number of selection lines you will have equal to the power 2. To the power 3 by 1 multiplexer, then how many number of selection lines you will have, that's going to be 3, okay. Other than that, if we will talk about the next thing, to the power 4 by 1 multiplexer you can have. So how many number of selection lines you can have? That's 4. Okay. And depending on the inputs you will provide to the selection lines, you will be getting the final output. Because the number of inputs are so many. Done. Number of inputs are so many. For example, if you will have 2 inputs and 1 selection line, 1 output. So which input will go on the output side? If it is D0, it is D1. And here you are having the selection line as A. This is Y output. If you will give the value 0 to A, so your first input will go on the output side, means it will be equal to D0. If you will give it the value 1, because in electronics you can just be taking 0 and 1 because you will deal with the binary number system. So your output in this case will be D1. I hope it's getting clear to everyone. So this is how guys the multiplexer works. Even if it will be 4 by 1, then you will have A and B 2 selection lines, okay, and depending on the AB values you will be just getting the output. And here it becomes easy to consider the output by taking 0 0, your decimal equivalent is 0 0 1, your decimal equivalent is 1. So firstly this will go, then this will go on the output side, and if you will take 1 0, then the next one will go on the output side. This is how we can just easily get the outputs for any multiplexer. But here comes the point, if we want to construct a 4 by 1 multiplexer by using the 2 by 1 multiplexer, okay, 2 by 1 multiplexer. So in that case what we have to do, write 4 here, write 2 here, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, just add these values which is 3, Hence, by using the 3 2x1 multiplexers, you can construct the 4x1 multiplexer. Okay, if you want to construct the 16x1 multiplexer by using the 2x1 multiplexer, then what will be the process? Same process. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So except the upper value, just add all the other. 8 to 10, 4 14 and 1 15. So you can see 1 less than 16, 1 less than 4. Okay, so that's how it's even a trick that if you just want to make any kind of multiplexer by using the 2x1 multiplexer, so it will be 1 less than that value. So it's gonna be 3. 16 by 1, it's gonna be 15. Okay, so this is just valid for 2x1 multiplexer. But even if you will have any time the question in which you have to construct the 256 by 1 multiplexer by using, okay, the 16 by 1 multiplexer, then what you have to do? 256, just take 16 here, 16 and 16, 1. So this is how you will be getting your answer. Done. So that's the easy process like which you can easily follow, and you can get your answer easily for any such case. But still, at any point if you will have any doubt and something is not getting clear to you, you can surely tell me about it and I will try to consider that point too. So here answer will be 17. Done. And guys, one more thing, that in this case, like the process is gonna remain same, but the 1 less than the value is only applicable for 2x1 multiplexer when you are using that to construct some other multiplexer. While for any other case except the 2x1, you can use the same process and you will be getting the number of multiplexers required to construct the any particular type of multiplexer. So I hope this will help you to solve such type of questions quite easily and in very less time, and I hope everything is clear to all of you now. But in case if you will have any doubt, you can tell me. I'll try to consider that point too. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And as in the starting of the video I have talked about the price hike, so soon there can be the price hike. If you want to start attending the live classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, and by using and by applying the referral code which is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live, you can get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.